Okay, so I got the instructions. I really just need help with the top part, I think. Because the other things just pulled it right out the box. Okay. Just gonna go to this part. So let's say this goes at the bottom. Look, y'all know I was a smart kid, y'all. Okay, that goes that way. Okay. Let me say, take this off, I think. Must remove tripod screw cap before attaching ring light. Then it says, slide this in here like that. Okay. Oh, because I thought that was going to fall out. Okay. Then it says, that was easy. When you think life be hard, I read this book that said we can do hard things. I thought that was going to be hard as fuck, but it was really easy peasy. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, hold on, you're not yet. Let's take my off. Okay, I'm going to loosen it up so I can face the right way, because obviously, yeah, it don't need to be that tight. It needs to face the right way. Hopefully it don't untwist. Yeah, hopefully it don't. And then, just do it on top. Like, this, I think.
Saving with Dollar Direct is simpler than sneaking out.
Wait, that's not working. I'll do it this way. It's not going in. Did I do something wrong? That ain't going in there. I wonder if it's a certain way. I think that's how I go, because the name. Yeah. So you twist the top.